Well, good Thursday morning to you. So my opening intro is going to be in my shop today, a little bit different. It is raining today, and we are headed up to Galena, Kansas today. I believe that's Galena. Yeah, probably Galena, whatever. But we've got 10, 12 tires, I don't even remember. But we're going to be putting on these Land Fleets 255 70 22.5s. The fleet up there, he's making a few changes, so he called me and we said, well, got together, agreed on a price, and so we're going to go do business. Negative is, it's raining, and he wants balance beads. So I got to figure out a way to tarp this, keep the beads dry, so when I show up on site, slip them on, they'll be doing a good job. So anyway, time to get a load tarp, is what I'm thinking. Well, we're just getting on scene here. That's really not a scene. We're just, it's a scheduled call. We're working for that one, but we're not. This guy's he buys these and resells them, goes all through them, and then he sells them to FedEx people all around the nation. Good dude. But we're going to be putting on these, and Mr. Hollywood's under there. You missed the intro, Hollywood. You got anything to say? What's up, guys? Oh, Lord, my potatoes hurt on that one. But we're getting set up here. We're going to start rocking and rolling. Hopefully, we're going to bust it out in a couple hours. Alright, you think you can do a one-hit wonder job?
Yeah, when the air's good time.
Oh, you gotta wait for the air? I thought you could just overpower the air with your rugged good looks. Kinda needing a haircut there, bud.
I'm getting
You're, I don't know what's more shaggy, that or that.
this whole leak.
And this is why I find it so hard to get anything done. This just keeps going on. Okay, so we are set up here. We're gonna put on a reverse mount 19.5. What size is this one here? It's a 225 70 19.5. Like I said, it's a reverse mount. These are not a lot of fun. Far easier on a machine if you have a machine, but field work, you don't get that luxury. But we're gonna see if we can get this on. We just got the other one on. I just forgot to record it. So we're gonna set you down, see what we do, and sometimes these are wrestling matches. So let's see what we can do. There it is. I know somebody out there is just gonna be, I've never used a cheater a day in my life. I get it, I understand. But anything to make these 19.5s go on easier, I'm gonna do it. There you go, that's a good bite. Yes, sir. Hold that. There you go, you got it right there. Bingo. If you've ever done reverse mount 19.5s before, you know what I'm talking about. They're not the easiest things in the world to do, but we got it. I know some of you do 19.5s every day. You do 36 of them before I get up before breakfast. I get you. I don't. We just do what we got to do to get the job done. And they're just not a lot of fun without a machine. Got to wrestle them. We did it. Appreciate Hollywood's help. Let's keep watching, shall we? All right. We'll get it up, aired up over here. We'll see how it, see if it'll be nice and kind to take some air voluntarily, so we don't have to hit it with this snoozle horn. So far, we've been lucky. We haven't had to hit any of these with snoozle horns. The big snoozle horn, see it? But that'll be my last tire. We've done a slug of them today. All right, what kind of good luck you got, Mr. Holly?
All the luck in the world.
I think you're the luckiest dog this side of the Mississippi. Getting it to take care, baby. We'll get 120 pounds in it. We'll get it mounted up.
100.
Well, we just finished up. That was 10 tires, 8 22.5s. Two 19.5s. They were reverse mounts. I don't know if that one video is going to make it in here or not. I don't know what my editor is going to do with it, but reverse mount 19.5s. If you ever done them, you'll know you did them. Hollywood, he doesn't like to wave his finger. Did we have everything we need?
Yes, sir.
I think we had everything we need. Packed all the stems, had everything. Overall, it went pretty good. It just takes time. You know, I had to take them on and off, mount them, all that good stuff. I think it's a pretty successful run, don't you think?
Yeah.
I mean, if you had a younger guy right here, it probably would have went a little faster, but I'm fitting old age. Well, you know, it slows the man up a little bit. Just not as spry as I used to be, but we're still getting it done. But we're grateful for the work. Hopefully, man enjoys his new tires and he calls me back, because I sure enough appreciate his business. So if you're watching, and I bet you will, thank you, sir. Genuinely, wholeheartedly appreciate your business and hospitality. You gave us plenty of room to work. You knew we were coming. You knew what we needed. Thank you so much. We're an exceptional host. So with that, see you, everybody. Oh, click like and subscribe, follow, all that good stuff.